Well, hello and welcome to this. Pretty much it. I'm just gonna go through this game I've never played before, so let's go. Wow. Seems pretty simple. I suppose you just have to click where you want them to move. I'll just fast forward that little bit. Anyway. Yeah, so you just have to navigate them around. This is the first part of my series. There'll be more. This is just the first part of Gateway 1. Well, so that's it. But I'll stay on, don't worry. Well, what got to do here? Oh my god. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so seems pretty simple so far, but I suppose it's gonna end up getting harder, isn't it? Oh, what got to do here? Now, I've seen this done before, so I think I know how to do this one, because I've been looking at other people's channels to get an idea. So I know what to do on this. Yeah, so you just drag them into there, get the batteries to work, and that. That's the tutorial completed. Now I'm into the proper game. Now this gets on my nerves. This just is really annoying. It's probably wasted most of the tutorial. I'm not recording this while playing the game, so I'm just memorising. Yeah. Let's carry on. Oh my god. Ah. Yeah, so as you can see, this isn't really the funnest level in the world, but by far not the, well, you know what I mean. I think I get it just in a second, any second now. I might just fast forward some of this for you. So yeah, press the button, door opens, woohoo. Yeah, so it's pretty good, I think. This is only part 1. Now this, I got kind of confused on this, but eventually I thought, well, there's that pattern at the top, and that maybe you got to put that into there. So I thought, well, maybe if I just try it. So purple, yellow, green. My mouse is a bit fiddly on this because I'm using a laptop. Sorry if you can't hear me that well. Now this is freaky. Ready? Look through telescope. Right, look. You're like, oh, nobody's over there. Go over here. Oh, look, a little man sleeping. There you go, where you look at the other window or something like that again. Yeah, so I come out. Try to come down, try to type in it. Now, this is really confusing, so I just type in random. Okay, yeah, it doesn't like that. So, maybe I should check again, see if there's anything on the telescope. And wow, look at, ready? I look away. Oh, hello, who's over here? Sorry, my laptop kind of mucked up there. And then guess what happened? Look what he does. You ready? He's looking at you. Let's look back. Pika, Pika. I got really confused. But if you say it backwards, 7, 3, 9, 3, 3, 9. Yeah, so pretty much this game is a lot of puzzles. Yeah, so thank you for watching and bye bye. See you next time.